Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many more videos on attendance system, such like face recognition attendance system using SQLite, using CSV file, using pickle, then using SQLite, using MySQL. We have seen face recognition attendance system. We have seen face recognition attendance system using SQLite also, using CSV file also. Also we have seen face recognition and attendance system using TK interlibrary. So we have seen lot of videos on attendance system. So today's video is really creative. It is attendance system with face recognition in really different style with enhancement of previous video of attendance system using pickle file. Today's video is about face recognition using pickle file attendance. It is so we'll go through the initial state of the program. Here we can see pickle file is not created. Here I am taking the attendance from video. This is my video. We can see here I am taking attendance from the video. We will see later on when we will proceed further. And these are the files. Here pickle file is not there. Now first of all I will go through encoding part. I will show you the code. This is about encoding part. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Now we will see encode recognition part. Here is about the recognition part. Here my name is written. Now I will execute the program to recognize me. Yes, fine. I have been recognized. Now the main part is creating the pickle file. You can see here pickle file is not created. Now we will go to attendance part. This is all about the attendance part. Now I will execute the program in different manner. We can see here. Here I am taking input as a video file. Remember that. Watch carefully. Now I will taking the time, that is 11:13 and second 12. Fine. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Execution time and this noted down. Processing video has been loaded and loading and coding. Now we'll say here pickle file is created and we can see here my name is there. Fine. So I successfully done with attendance system using pickle file. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning. I will be back with more creative videos on CNN, TensorFlow, Keras, and I will be starting Node.js from the basics after 1 month maybe, and if possible I will be back with new ideas, new videos on Spring Boot if possible, and data science. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.